Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is me, Muhammad Amjid, and we are going to discuss annual paper of intermediate part 1 English. The first MCQs is the girl lets out a muffled cry. The word muffled means suppressed. The correct option is suppressed, दबोची हुई, दबी हुई सी. And the next MCQs is watching her crows erect. Erect, the correct answer is straight. Option A, straight. Next MCQs is the mother sparrow has come to feed. Underline word है feed, which means give food, खाना देने के लिए. Next MCQs is नॉर्मा रिप्रेस्ड अ स्माइल. नॉर्मा ने एक मुस्कुराहट जब्त कर ली. रिप्रेस्ड कर लेना तो इसको चौकड कर लेना. चौक मतलब दबोच लेना, दबी दबी सी. द नेक्स्ट इज माई क्रियोसिटी. क्रियोसिटी कहते हैं तजस्सुस को. माई क्रियोसिटी वाज अराउज्ड, मेरा तजस्सुस बढ़ गया. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज इंटरेस्ट, दिलचस्पी. नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज इज चिन अप हैरी सैड हिज वाइफ. चिन अप मीन्स सब्र करो, बहादुर बनो, बी ब्रेव. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, बी ब्रेव. द नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज इज ही नेवर गेव अप हिज एम्बिशन. गेव अप तर्क कर देना, छोड़ देना. तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज अबंडेंट. ऑप्शन ए, अबंडेंट. द नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज इज let us therefore compel the rich to dig her grave. Underline word is compel, which means मजबूर करना, force. The correct option is D, force. Next MCQ is well it's elliptical. Elliptical कहते हैं जो बेवजी शक्ल का हो. The correct answer is oval. C option, oval. Next MCQ is almost all of them are unruly. Unruly कहते हैं जो गुस्ताख हों. तो the correct answer is ill mannered, जिनके मैनर सही ना हो. Option A. Next MCQ is Roger Spalding is concluding his TV. Concluding TV की वो broadcast जो है वो conclude कर रहे हैं उसको. The correct answer is C, broadcast. She has long hair. The next MCQ is she has long hair. She has long and blonde hair. The correct option is A, blonde hair. Next MCQ is Khaljega popped out on the boy's face and he began to struggle. So sweat popped out. Correct option is A, sweat popped out. The next MCQ is and then Jorkan joined in all for determination. The correct answer is C, determination. Next MCQ is his hair was dash and shining. So his hair was sleek and shining. And the correct option is B, sleek and shining. Next MCQ is she has not dashed the work yet. Has आ गया तो the correct answer is B, finished. Next MCQ is would that I dash a minister. Would that आ गया तो the correct answer is option C, were. Would that option C, were. And the next MCQ is all is well that dash well. All is well that ends well. Correct option is B. Next MCQ is I will help you if you khaljega here. The correct answer is if you come here. Answer is B, A option, sorry. पहला conditional sentence है. Next MCQs is why did they dash a noise. Why did आ गया तो the correct answer आएगा option D, make. Thank you.